Hi, this is Margaret Byrd and welcome to Color Quest. And welcome back to the 100 Days of Natural Dye. Last week, we looked at dye sources 1 through 50 in the 100 Day Project, which is an Instagram challenge that happens every year during this time, starting in the month of February. Last year, I looked at 100 different ways to make natural color, and I thought it would be perfect to share here with Color Quest. So we've split it up because 100 is a lot in one go. So today we're going to look at the second 50 of those 100 days of natural dye. If you don't know about the 100 Day Project, you can find more information at their website as well as follow along with hashtag the 100 Day Project over on Instagram. It is a great way to kickstart and bring some new inspiration into your creative practice for 100 days. I strongly encourage you to check it out, whether you just enjoy what other artists are doing or you decide to jump in yourself. It is a wonderful community that has artists from all over the world. Now, in celebration of the 100 days that I did last year, I created a resource for you, which is available in my web shop, and that is the 100 Days of Natural Dye poster. It is a beautiful compilation of the 100 swatches that I made during the 100 Day Project and put them together in a beautiful rainbow arrangement that you can keep to have in your dye studio or just to brighten up any wall space in your home. The poster shows each colored swatch as well as the organic matter that it came from, so it can provide you with some new ideas on where you might try to find color in nature in your own dye studio or creative practice. And although this video runs quickly through those different dye sources, there are many videos here on Color Quest that show how I used those particular dye matters in order to create dye. So take note, go back through the library here on Color Quest, and you'll be able to watch more in-depth several tutorials that show you how these amazing natural dye resources can be used within your creative practice. So let's just jump in right now and get to the second 50 of the 100 Days of Natural Dye here on Color Quest. Well, there you have it. 100 different ways to make natural color. I had so much fun working on this project last year, and it brought me a ton of inspiration that I was able to bring back to this channel here and share with you. So get out there into nature and see what different kinds of materials you can find that can create natural color. You might be surprised. I know I was, and what was even more surprising is putting them all together in the 100 Days of Natural Dye poster and seeing what an incredible rainbow of colors I had created over those 100 days. Thank you very much, Mother Nature. Again, there's a link below if you'd like to buy the 100 Days of Natural Dye poster that I put together. All of the dye swatches I used for the poster were on cotton, and I used a soy milk binder. So if you choose to test out different mordants, you can add significantly to that palette. And certainly changing the textiles will also give you different colors. I tested silk on all of these, and the silk results were beautiful. By purchasing this poster, you are helping to support this channel, and I greatly appreciate that. The link is down below. You can go straight to my shop, pick yourself up a copy, and find a beautiful place to place it within your studio. Now next week, I'm going to take you back to 2020. This is the first year that I did the 100-day project, and I also focused on natural color. However, what I did in 2020 was that I looked at 10 different ways over 100 days that I could incorporate natural color into my art practice across multiple types of materials beyond dyes themselves. So join me next Friday on Color Quest as we continue looking at the incredible world of natural color and how spending 100 days focused on it can truly be inspiring. Have a great week, and I look forward to seeing you next Friday here on Color Quest.